Look, 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 that lovely light. Its lamp lady's light so bright. Look, 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 that lovely light. Its lamp lady light so bright. Listen, Lil will what she will say. Its Lil light night and day. Look, 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 light so bright. Its lamp lady light so bright. So my dear children, today I am here in front of you with a new letter and character. Yes, what is it? It's, yes, you guess. You can guess. It's a Lucy lamp lady. Wow, I have Lucy lamp lady for you. See, she is very bright. It has a light. Its name is Lucy lamp lady. What she is carrying? She is carrying on her head a lamp. What she is carrying? She is carrying a lamp on her head, and lamp has lighting. Lamp is lighting, and its light is so bright. So that's why Lucy lamp lady was singing, look, 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 that lovely light. Right? She has lovely light. And what she say all the time, Lucy lamp lady? What she says? Right? She says, right? So, she is Lucy lamp lady. She is lamp lady, and she is carrying a lamp on her head. On her head, right? You can say it's also a lovely lamp, right? It's also a lovely lamp. And it's a lovely and bright light. And can you see who is she? She is Lena. Who is she? She is Lena. When she see light of Lucy lamp lady, so when they both see the light, it's very bright, they will say, what they say? What they say? They will say, very nice. So all the time they say, so this is the new character, Lucy lamp lady. And what she says all the time? She says, and what is this? This is L sound. What is this? This is L sound. This is L sound. So I have a flashcard for you, L sound. How you will write? You will start from here and make a loop, round loop. So this is your homework. You will take lemon. You will take some lemon and you will make lemonade water for you and you will drink. Right, my dear children? So this is your homework, and you will also make a picture of lemon. Lemon, right? And you will color it yellow color, and you will say when you will drink water, lemonade water, you will say L, and when you will make the picture of lemon, then you will say L, and you will look around of your surrounding and you will search the pictures, the objects from your surrounding starting from L sound. Right, my dear children? This is your homework. Very good. So now how you will write L sound? So look at the board. Previously you learn H sound. This is also the whisper. You will not say it loud. So L sound, you will also start from the first line and you will use the upper three lines. You will not use the last line. You will start from the first line. You will come straight. You will come straight. And when you will come on the third line, you will not pick up the pen. I'm picking up my pen because I'm teaching you, right? But you will not pick up the pen. You will come here, touch the third line, and from the third line, you will go on the right side and make a loop. This is L sound. This is L sound. Again, see, start from the first line, straight. I am not picking the pen. I will go on my right hand towards my right hand and make a loop. This is L sound. Right? See? So this is the way to write the letters. You will not pick up the pen, and you will write in the correct formation, and you will not write from the wrong side also, right? You will never ever start from here. First you will make a loop and then go up. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is not the correct formation. You always start from the first line, come down and make a loop, right? This is L sound. So my dear children, I hope you like my video and you have learned L sound, and you have to do your homework also. Today you will take some lemon, ask your mama to help you, and you will make lemonade water for you, and you will drink lemonade water, and you will say the sounds L sound, right? And you will tell to your mother, Lucy Lamp Lady also likes lemonade water, and she has lamp on her head, and this is also a lamp, and I hope you have lamp on your study table, on your bedside table, right? So you already know what is the lamp, because it is giving you the light, right? When you study on your study table, you have a lamp, and when you start study, you will switch on the light, and then you start your study. Right, my dear children? So she is Lucy Lamp Lady. Her friend name is Lena, and she has lamp, and this is the formation of L sound. So my dear children, I am very happy to see you, and my dear children, learn the poem of Lucy Lamp Lady and learn the sound of it. My dear children, hope you like my videos. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, and see all the videos lesson by lesson and learn the phonics. So take care of yourself and be happy all the time, and take care of your parents. My dear children, God bless you. Bye bye.